You should let me hit.
Phantom just sent me a picture. Sorry. Send me a video of one of the video we watched last night, which is like AI saying some shit.
Wait, go back.
And then it turns into like a wholesome edit.
To think I was gonna put him in the Marine Corps.
It's peak, bro. The video is so peak.
Yeah, every time I open Instagram, it's just half-naked women and racism, so I don't really go on there.
Yeah, but Gang was talking about some. Yo, can you put a good word in for me with Phantom? Like, bro, he's talking about some. We're all cracking Phantom. Like, Gang. But he's low-key a gooner.
Honk is slowly drifting into sleep.
Why am I? Oh shit, that actually looks pretty fire.
He's dead. He's gone. He's sleeping.
It's okay. He's doing a little nappy nap. Shh, he's doing a little nappy nap.
What do you need?
Shh, he's doing lap.
Decides to think it's a good idea to go in the room. They shoot him into an accident.
Fuck! What the fuck's...
I'll tell Honk.
You can tell me.
So, he's in the room, they shoot Whiskey once on accident, on
Oh,
purpose.
he fell asleep.
And he kills
He fell asleep.
6 to 8 people in the army. And then he immediately hops off the
But it just jumps up.
stays in
Yeah,
school,
yeah, we're for real.
comes out, and then he gets put on campus.
Don't post that.
Yeah, everything on duty.
Send me the video, Gabe.
Okay.
Gabe, send me the video.
Honk.
You can...
You want me to tell him?